Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dynasty Wars token. Now this token just got a couple brand new central exchange listings on some very big central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ticker symbol is Dwars. So on February 2nd, Bitmart tweeted out, upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list Dwars, the Dynasty Wars token, soon. The play-to-earn game based on blockchain, a war between forces competing for the Holy Land. Fight, win, and get rewarded. And then it says, keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So it is listing soon on Bitmart, but they don't give an actual date yet of which day it will be listed on Bitmart. But it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. February 4th at 13 hours UTC time, it says Dynasty Wars, a GameFi and NFT project on the Solana blockchain, is coming to Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol Dwars, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So tomorrow it will be up there on Mexc, and then sometime following that it will be available on Bitmart. So their official webpage is dynastywars.io. Now, like I mentioned, this is on the Solana blockchain, so you can check out their Sol scan. And if you did want to get this token in a decentralized way, eventually it will also be on decentralized exchanges like Radium, maybe Jupiter, Orca, things like that as well. So there's all different ways in the future you'll be able to get this token. 6 decimal places on this token. There is a current supply of 1 million tokens. You can find their Telegram at Dynasty Wars and their Twitter at Dynasty Wars X. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can go check that out. Now, what is the project all about? It says, since ancient times, humans have been assigned to protect the Holy Land, where the gods help the humans and night elves with the knowledge of the universe, planting, raising, building, and giving fire. An army of undead demons created by the Demon Lord to destroy the Holy Land. They drew another race called orcs, mobilized them through the dimensional portals to attack the Holy Land. After many years, the orcs and the army and the undead demons were defeated by the alliance of human factions. The Night Elf faction called themselves the Allied faction. Surviving invaders are returned to the original gates back to their dead land. The warriors of human... the grammar's a little bit off on here. It's probably translated, but you get the idea. The warriors of human and elf entered the temple in the center of the Holy Land and received blessings. The green village grew back and life was restored as there was, like there had never been a war. These feats are recorded in the history books and will be kept for thousands of years to come. So, in the Holy Land, zoning is evident. In the east, the humans lived in the great river plains, the long rivers where the sun shone on every corner. Meanwhile, in the western region, elves lived in the majestic stretch of the mountains. The forest in the land was covered with green-colored trees, and green was life. They guard the holy temple where every year the human race offers sacrifices to pray for the harvest, no war, and a peaceful life. And then came the race of orcs and the undead. So once upon a time there was a race that cursed the powerful magician. Was cursed by a powerful magician. The whole castle in one night fell lifeless. Everything was dark, and obviously then a war broke out. We don't need to go over the whole story. But then there's the how to play section. So Dynasty Wars is an NFT game. It's a card game on the Solana blockchain. In the world of Dynasty Wars, you will transform into the heroic generals of humans or mighty gods of the Night Elves race to fight to protect the sacred land of Holy Land and Lorkand Village from the invasion of orcs and the undead. So they talk about installing a phantom wallet to be able to use in the game. So if you don't have a sole decentralized wallet, it says install a phantom wallet. Then it talks about getting Dwars tokens. Then you deposit it into your in-game wallet. Then you can recruit some NFTs, and then you can join the battle. Then there's the game rules. So they talk about the battle times. Basically, you recharge and rest for a certain amount of hours. And there's deposits, there's withdrawals, there's the marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade NFTs. There's a referral system. Now they go over the whole hero system too, so they have different rarities like common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, monster system, maps. The characters, they go over the humans, the orcs, the undead, the elves. You can learn all about that. Roadmap starts with game ideas, economics development, development of the smart contracts and website, launching social accounts, game and server security checking. Then we got build the game environment, characters building, internal beta test released, giveaway campaign, start marketing plan, pre-sale start, listing on top central exchanges, listing on top decentralized exchanges, top 1 on Solana trending, listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And then phase 4 is going to be game launching, collecting players' feedback, NFTs discount, top server giveaway, anti-inflation starts, growing community, giveaway contests, KOLs, partners, marketing campaigns, release new maps, new game modes, competitions for investors, continued development, new game world, update, roadmap. So we went over most of the tokenomics except for allocation. If you do buy or sell this off a decentralized exchange, it does say no taxes, so you probably won't have to worry about slippage. 3.5% of the tokens go to liquidity. It says it's burnt. 38.5% pre-sale, 0.5% partnerships, 2% core team, 3% investment fund, 42.5% play to earn, 8% central exchange listings, and 2% marketing. Go check this token out. It's being listed on Mexc Global starting tomorrow, and then Bitmart sometime after that. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.